In this video, I'm going to be looking at Super Bonsai, which is a supplement brand, and explaining to them on what they can do to improve their messaging and improve their UX UI. Watch this video to get some tips on how you can improve your own conversions too.
So you have in your headline, supercharge your liver, science-backed plus holistic ingredients equal your newest superpowers. But this copywriting is not really communicating what your product is. So supercharge your liver, but okay, and then you're saying supercharge your mornings, and then you have underneath science-backed holistic ingredients, your newest superpowers. So I would definitely do something with this copywriting to make it clearer on what your product is, what the solution is that you're selling, and how everything ties together. So let's see if we can find a stronger headline for you. Super Bonsai harnesses the incredible power of natural ingredients to help you feel unstoppable. So nature's real life superpowers. This would be a great headline. Nature's real life superpowers. I would use that as your headline up here. And it's great because you're showing all three of your products in here. So it's not just like calling out the lungs, which is only one of your products. You're calling out everything. You know, nature's real life superpowers. And then underneath you have this heading down here. Super Bonsai harnesses the incredible power of natural ingredients to help you feel unstoppable, get more energy, and get faster recovery. That's how you could tie in a bit more into that subheadline and make it really, really powerful. So I think your branding is on point throughout the page. You've got no faults with that. The only thing that I feel like your homepage is missing is there's no real photos with customers using it, apart from all the way down here, this section, which is like a video section of people using the product. And, you know, I just know this is going to not get a lot of engagement because it's buried too far down. So it would be nice to see, even in this section underneath here, like a scrolling UGC section, just photos of customers holding up their products and actually using them and actually, you know, showing that they're enjoying them. So let's see if we can actually see any of those on your Instagram. So you've got 17.7 thousand followers in Instagram. I would definitely bring some of that social proof onto your website some way to make it a little bit more powerful. So it doesn't seem like, it just seems like you have a lot of different reels and videos, which is fine, but it doesn't really seem like you have a lot of UGC here. These bullet points you have over here, you could use them as benefits in your hero section as well. So if we go back to your hero section, right underneath here, instead of having this scrolling list, which is taking like a long time to communicate all of this, just put those 4 different things underneath. You could, or instead of unlock your inner superpowers, because we've already said that, say holistic supplements backed by science, 100% natural ingredients. Then underneath non-GMO, third-party tested, and then you can also say made in the USA. Let's check out your navigation menu. I think this is looking good. At least you're servicing your top products over here. You should be putting in the bundle over here. I mean, if people are going to shop with you, you should be selling them on the full kit. You know, you should be selling them on everything. And that should be the first product that you're servicing in here is that bundle. And also, I'm not sure what's happening with your reviews, but we've only got like 48 reviews on this product over here, 7 reviews on this one. Doesn't really look good in a navigation menu, and there's too much going on. A navigation menu, you want to keep it super simple. It's not really meant to sell anyone in that navigation menu. It's just meant to help them get to the next stage. So if I show you this navigation menu, you can see it's super simple, and it's not really showing too much information, but just the information that's important. So add in some images, which you've done, which is good, but then just call out like a bestseller, like give people the information that they need to get to, and get in the mindset of, okay, instead of giving people a lot more choice, like they land on your navigation menu, it's like, okay, I don't know which one I want to get. How can we make that decision-making process easier for them? And that how we can make it easier is by helping new customers get your product quicker. And how they can get your product is by offering a bundle. You can even call it like the trial kit or the starter kit or the welcome kit or something like that, where, you know, they get one of each of your products for maybe a small discount. If it's their first time buying it, they can try out the different products, and whichever one they like, then they can get more of that product, or they can just get more of the kit. So that could be really nice. So in summary, on your navigation menu, simplify it, remove your ratings. I would just put like a couple of just two to 3 words to summarize what the benefit is. Add in your bundle kit over here, and then call out whatever your best sellers are. So it's easier for people to actually see which one is the most popular. So instead of these elements down here, I would replace these with a call to action button to shop Super Bonsai, and that will go to a collection page where they can see these products in a bit more detail. And this social proof, this 500,000 happy mornings, that should be tied in on your homepage. So replace that with this element over here. And instead of happy mornings, just say happy customers. Keep it simple, keep it easier for people to read. So final thing I'm looking at is your product page. So horizontal selectors like this do perform less than vertical stacked selectors. So I would choose a vertical stacked selector. And what I mean by that is if you go into any one of these products, you will see that things are displayed in a vertical stack. The reason why these perform better is you can give people a little bit more information that's important to them to help them make their decision faster. You're leading with subscription first. I would lead with one-time purchase first. I've found this is a lot more success than leading with subscription. So I would recommend that. So this is another thing, is this image over here is actually the first time that I'm actually seeing how your product works with the little dropper. Okay. This is really, really important because, you know, I shouldn't have to go all the way to the product page to really see how your product actually works. So what I'd recommend doing is in your photos over here, just put the little dropper next to the bottles over here so that people can actually see, okay, there's liquid inside the little dropper and you squeeze it and that's how you get it. Just so it's visual and instant for people to see how your product works. This is nice. I like all the different ingredients that are in here. The directions are good as well, but again, like the text is really, really small here. So I would just make the text bigger, make it easier for people to actually read. And this is also great as well. Put the dropper next to a glass with ice in it to actually show them how to work. Just make this image a little bit smaller, have your 3 products, have the dropper next to it and have a glass in the background with the liquid being poured into it with a hand as well, dropping it in. That will make this image a lot better. If you're looking for further help, we do offer a service where we can craft a high converting landing page that is designed to outbeat your current page by at least 10%. Our specialty is designing these high converting landing pages, and we pretty much do this every day for the e-com clients we work with, such as Snow, CarePod, Soloway, Velvet Caviar, and many more D2C brands, helping them to increase their ad performance and get better results in terms of their conversion rate, average order value, and overall profitability. If you're interested in learning what results we can get for you, and how our process works, and check out the description. There are links to our website. And of course, you can also book in a call with me and answer any questions you have. Cool. And I hope you got some value from this video.